Hey guys, Ms. Gosling here. In this video, we are going over the 1.4 lab entitled The Running Man Again. For this lab, you're going to use the Moving Man simulation, and again, you'll want to click that link. When you do, you will open the Moving Man, and it's going to actually look like this. You'll have to toggle over to that Charts tab. And what you're going to do is you are going to choose any starting position, initial velocity, and non-zero acceleration that you would like. So I'm going to say my guy starts at 5. He has an initial velocity of -2, and his acceleration is 1. And we'll see what this looks like. Just going to make a graph. Oh man. Okay. Here we go. And now he's changed directions and is moving up again. Until eventually he gets to 10, and of course he'll stop at 10. So, what you're gonna do once you have your graph is take a screenshot. So you can use the print screen button. My print screen doesn't work. So the keys that I use Windows Shift S. Again, the Windows key, which is between FN and Alt, Shift S. And I can take a screenshot that way. Like this. And you only need your position time graph because that's all I care about. So what you'll do is you will put a copy of your position time graph below. And again, you could continue running till the graph is completely filled out, which is what this asks you to do. One thing to keep in mind is once you get to 10, the guy's going to stop running no matter what. So it's going to just be a flat line for the rest of the simulation. So if you do choose to go ahead, once he gets either 10 or -10, you're welcome to stop it. Take your screenshot and stick it in. So that is, so that's just for your ease and time. So again, once you do that, you're going to answer the 3 analysis questions. So you're going to let me know at what time you were moving the fastest. One thing to keep in mind, this is 2, 4, and 6 seconds. Each hash mark is 2 seconds. And we can see that down here on our x-axis. And just tell me at which point you think you're moving the fastest. You're going to tell me at which point you are moving the slowest. And you're going to calculate your average velocity. So what you're going to do is you're going to use the information that you learned from the video. You're going to use what you did in the practice. And you're going to figure out the answers to these 3 questions. Please note, excuse me. I have asked you to use your position time graph to justify your answer. So I don't want just a number. I want you to actually explain what you did to get your answer. So I'm moving the fastest at this point because A. And you're gonna have to fill in that blank there. So that is the Running Man Again lab. It should be the quickest of the 4 labs for this unit. And it is the one that you have the most control over because you can make your graph as nice or as not nice as you would like. The only thing that's important is to remember that your acceleration should be non-zero. You're welcome to run this a few times until you have a graph that you like the look of. But that is really all I have for you. Please let me know if you have any questions. Best of luck on the lab, and happy solving.